So, good day everyone. I am the reporter of Chapter 8, the region of Mimaropa. So, Mimaropa is an administrative region in the Philippines designated as Region 4B. So, later on, madiscuss ko man diri ang about sa region sang 4A. So, subong, ang Mimaropa is nabilong ini siya sa Region 4B. Mimaropa, it is the one of region in the country having no land border. So, when we say having no land border, so, may ara ini siya nga kalawakan sang land or sang mga duta na wala katilaw sukat or no border. Muni siya ang isa is ang Mimaropa. So, ang isa is, amo na siya ang Eastern Visayas. The name acronym combination of its constituent provinces, which are Mindoro, divided into Occidental Mindoro and Oriental Mindoro. Next is Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. So, ang Mimaropa, ang may ara ni siyang acronym. So, ang May stands for Mindoro, but divided into Occidental Mindoro and Oriental Mindoro. Ma stands for Marinduque. Ro stands for Romblon, and Pa stands for Palawan. The region was part of the now defunct Southern Tagalog region until 17 May 2002. So, when we say now defunct is may ara siya nga no long living, existing, or functioning. So, may ara siya nga muni siya nga region is wala may nagatiner sang malawig or like sang wala naga-function or wala grow or wala naga-grow nga region. So, sang May 23, 2005, ang Palawan kag ang highly urbanized nga city sang Puerto Princesa is nag-move to the region sang Western Visayas sa pamagitan sang Executive Order number 429 or however sang August 19, 2005 si President Arroyo distribute niya ang Administrative Order number 129 to put in abeyance or pagpapaliban sang ipagpaliban na lang danay ang Executive Order number 429 pending a review or temporary in hold until it has been review or evalue. Bali, ang Palawan is na-hold ni siya danay sa by the Executive Order number 429, na-hold ang Palawan para nga ma-review ini siya or ma-evaluate. Tapos, after niya sini ma-review, if pwede na siya kuno ma-transfer from Mimaropa to the Region 4. Next is President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo issue Executive Order 103 on May 17, 2002, which subdivide the Southern Tagalog provinces which comprise Region 4 into region. So, si President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, gin-distribute niya ang Executive Order 103 sang May 17, 2002, which is ma-divide kuno ang Southern Tagalog provinces which comprise Region 4 into 2 region. Bale, ang i-divide niya kuno sa duwa ang Southern Tagalog provinces which is the Region 4A, ang hala ko kagay ng Region 4A kag ang Region 4B to promote efficiency in the government. When we say efficiency, though muna siya ang pagbabago or ang tawag sinaon ng pag-improve sang government. So, accelerate social and economic development and improve public services. Baligin divide pagid ang Southern Tagalog para nga ma-improve pagid ang mga standards sang public services like sang subong sina. So, ang Region 4A is now known as Calabarzon. Muna ang hala ko sinyo kagina nga madalas akong topic ang Region 4A. So, amo ni na siya, ang Region 4A is now known as Calabarzon, which stands for provinces of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. So, ang Calabarzon, ang Ca stands for Cavite. Ang La stands for Laguna. Ang Ba stands for Batangas. Ang R dito stands for Rizal and the zone stands for Quezon. Region 4B is na-discuss ko naman ni Cagaina nga dara na bilog ang apat ka provinces nga stands for islands provinces comprising the region Mindoro, Mindoro nga na divide pagid sa into Oriental and Occidental Mindoro. Marinduque, Ro is Romblon, and Pa is Palawan. And sa Executive Order number 103 also transferred the provinces of Aurora to Region 3 in Central Luzon. So sa Executive Order number 103 na transfer pagid diri ang provinces sang Aurora sa Region 3 sa Central Luzon. So sa nagligad nga report siguro, nabalaan nyo naman sa Region 3, sa Central Rizal nga na-transfer dito ang Aurora. So, next is Executive Order 429, move Palawan to Region 4 on May 23, 2005. After this, Region 4B began to be called Memaro instead of Memaropa. So, ang sang nagligad ko no is ang Memaropa is Memaro lang gid na siya kay wala na dito na bilong ang Palawan. So instead of Memaro, naging Memaropa na siya kay ang Executive Order 429 gin-move niya ang Palawan sa Region 4 sang May 23, 2005. Muto na dayon nga naging Memaropa na ang Memaro sang nagligad. However, Palawan News criticized the move citing a lack of consultation. So, ang mga Palawan News is ginunahan nila ang paghakbang na mention dito sa pag-cite sa kawalan sa pag-process which is kung diin ang damo nga residents sang Puerto Princesa City kag tanan nga malapit sa municipalities is mas gusto nila magstay sa Region 4B. So, tungod sa administrative orders number of 129 is na-distribute sa dong August 19, 2005 para matugunan ang pagbaklas sang muto nga order. So, this order directed the abeyance of Executive Order number 429 pending the approval of the implementation plan for the orderly transfer of Palawan from Memaropa to Region 4. So, sang pag-process bala sang Executive Order 429 is na pending ang approval sang pag-move sang Palawan from Memaropa to Region 4. So, as of 2012, it is not clear whether or not the transfer of Palawan to Region 4 is still considered pending by the Philippines government. So, as of 2012, hindi pa gid klaro nga ang Palawan is nabilong na gid siya sa Memaropa. So, as of 2012, the National Statistical Coordinating Board of the Philippines continues the list Palawan to list Palawan provinces as part of the Memaropa. So, wala man Japan sila choice nga ang Palawan is ginlista man Japan nila nga bilong sa Memaropa. So, the 2010 Philippine Census of population continue to report the Region 4 name as Memaropa and continue to list the province of Palawan as part of the region. Memaropa has 5 provinces, 71 municipalities, and 2 cities. One of which is highly urbanized by administered independently from any province. The total number of barangays in the region is 1,459. As a region composed of islands provinces, Mimaropa has no distinct topographical characteristic. So, ang Mimaropa kuno is wala siya na distinct as topographical characteristics or means na a range or accurate representative as a Mimaropa. So, but rather, it varies from one province to another. Pero, ang Mimaropa is, gid siya kuno, iba gid siya kuno sa iban nga mga region. Kay, its varied landform consists of coastal is lain-lain siya sang lupa. So, low-lying areas and interiors composed of rolling hills and mountain ranges. In the fact, the second highest mountain in the Philippines, Mount Halcon, can be found in Mimaropa. It is a part of mountain range serving as the boundary between Mindoro Oriental and Mindoro Occidental. So, sa Mimaropa is mayara siya nga lain-lain sang landform. So, mayara dira nga consists of coastal. Consists of coastal means coastal is binubuo siya sang baybayin. Another is the low-lying areas. So, low-lying areas is siya ay bababang lugar. So, example, imagine nyo na lang ang, di ba, kuwan siya ng silab. So, sa dalom sang silab, imagine nyo na lang ang Mindoro na dito sa idalom sang silab. Kay low-lying areas siya. Tapos, and interiors composed of rolling hills in the mountain ranges. Tapos, may mga kabukid-bukid siya nga ng pwede, mga matagas nga bukid. So, ang Mimaropa is may ara siya nga second highest mountain. Amo na siya ang Mount Halcon. So, being a region with the provinces separated by waters, the whole region does not experience a single climate but rather 3 different climates. So, sa kada region, hindi nila ma-experience ang single climate. But there is sa Mimaropa is ma-experience nila ang 3 different climates. The western part of Palawan together with Mindoro Occidental experienced by type 1 climate. This climate is dry from November to April and wet for the rest of the year. So, November to April is dry dito sa Palawan kag sa Mindoro Occidental. Tapos mga the less nga mga months is wet na dito sa ila. The controlling factor for this climate is the topography of the area, with the central part of Palawan being mountainous. So, sa part naman sa Palawan is mabukid na dito nga provinces. The western part of Palawan is protected by the easterlies. However, the area is open to the effects brought by the southwest monsoon and the cyclonic storms. This is also true for Mindoro Occidental, where is sheltered from the trade winds by the mountainous ranges in the middle of the island. However, is too open to the effects brought by the southwest monsoon in the cyclonic storm. So, ang dito sa Palawan is mabukid but mabukid dito, pero nga bukid nga na is makaprotect pa ina sa ila sang mga mabaskog nga hangin kag hindi na siya, pero makaapekto ni sa aton nga southwest monsoon and cyclonic storms. So, The eastern part of Palawan, together with Romblon, experience the Type 3 climate. Unlike the two pronounced season, in the Type 1 climate, has no pronounced season, but it is relatively dry from November to April and wet for the rest of the year. It has a short dry season ranging from a 1 to 3 months. Areas experience this climate are only partly sheltered from the trade winds. If not all, if not at all, it is also open to the southwest monsoon and is also frequently affected by cyclonic storms. Muna siya ang the type 3 climate is hindi siya like sa na-mention ko kagina ang like sa Palawan kag sa Mindoro Occidental. So, the last climate type being experienced by Mimaropa region is the type 4 climate. The climate is experienced by Marinduque and Mindoro Oriental. With this climate, rainfall is evenly distributed throughout the year. So, sa mga ang last na climate by experience sa Mimaropa region, type 4 climate. This climate ma-experience ini sa Marinduque kag sa Mindoro Oriental, muni nga climate is maulanon ng maulan like sa mga rainfall, tapos ang rainfall ngayon na is mahulog siya sa typhoon.